Let's discuss one more interview question from collection API. The question is very simple. We need to find the email IDs from employee list where department ID is equal to 1 with the help of Stream API. So let's get started. So what I have done is I've already created two entities. One is employee entity with these properties: employee name, email, salary, department ID, mean department object, and department entity with department ID. So since all the properties are private, I have created public getters and setters. So let's get started. So let me create an array list. So this array list is going to be of employee type. So let's type this as employee entity type, and I'm going to add a couple of objects here. So there are 4 objects I've added with different names: Sharad, Bharat, and these Sharad Kumar and Sharad Gowda. So with different email IDs, with different salary, and department ID is same for 2 objects. First 2 objects have same department ID, and the next 2 objects have different department ID. What we need to find is email IDs of employee where department ID is equal to 1. So let's use Stream API for this. Stream dot. We need to filter the objects based upon the condition. The condition is very simple. So let me create a lambda expression. Object dot get department entity. Then through that we are getting department ID is equal to 1. Whenever this particular condition is true, what we are going to do is we are going to map that email ID to a list like this. So I'm using method reference here. Get email employee dot collect the result to another list. That's all. So finally, I will collect the result in separate list, the process result, email IDs. Maybe let's do this. So let me print the output. This is going to be email ID. So if I print the output, we would see the expected output. See, we are getting the expected output. We are able to get the email IDs of those employees where department ID is equal to 1. So this piece of code is self-explanatory. So what we are doing is there is a list which has a list of employee entity, and on that list we are applying Stream API and filtering the data. The filter function is accepting one lambda expression, nothing but the predicate with condition. The condition is simple. Whenever the department ID is equal to 1, whenever this condition is true, we are getting the employee email ID and mapping it with another list.